So last month, Canva announced that it reached an agreement with Disney to feature a number of different characters on their pro and educational platforms. The reason to do this was to celebrate the Disney fan event D23. These went live on August 9th, and they're going to be available for about a month or so, and I'm going to show you how you can access the D23 Disney characters. So if you open any Canva design, for instance, this is a blank one, and go over to Elements, you're just going to search for Disney. And as you search for Disney and select the graphic filter, you will see all of the D23 characters that are on here. So there is Wolverine, of course, representing Marvel. We've also got the Mandalorian showing up over here. And then others, we've got our classic Sorcerer Mickey that you can add on here. And then look, we've even got Woody as well. So something kind of cool. Actual Disney characters that you can add onto any of your designs in Canva. But this is not the only place that these characters are featured. So if I go back to my home menu, okay, and from here, if I just go ahead and search Disney, now it's going to take me to this screen where I can see all 218 Canva templates. So there's things like iPhone wallpaper, there are Twitter posts, Facebook covers, and this is not just to use. If you're actually going to the D23 event, I think you're definitely going to want to take a look at this because you can change and modify certain things like this, which I think will be a lot of fun, especially if you're attending the convention. So you can go on here, scroll all the way down, see all of the different templates that are available here, but there's also another spot that you can see all of the templates and actually get, I think, a better way to find things. It's organized a little bit better doing it this way. So if we just open up anything, like I'm just going to open up this Tiana phone wallpaper, and I'm going to select this link right over here, Disney D23. This will take me directly to the profile page where I can again see all of the different templates, including some of the templates that are featured right at the top. But the part that I like the best is this collections area. So if there's one specific character that you want to see all of the templates for, you can just select whichever one you want. In this case, I'm selecting Lightning McQueen, and I can see that there's 16 templates here that feature Lightning McQueen. And from here, I can, again, click on any of these templates, customize those templates, and edit however I want. So again, these are the new Disney D23 collection that's currently in Canva for about a month to celebrate the D23 fan convention. If you're going, I would definitely check this out. Or if you just want to add some of these characters, go ahead and give this a try. Now remember, you do have to be a pro or education subscriber to Canva in order to access this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment area, and I'll do my best to get back to you.